Choose to rent. Advancing events through technology.
Remove the stand pieces from the rental box. Using the provided screwdriver, insert the screw into the bottom of the base plate and tighten it into the thread of the pole. Loosen the bolts on the clamp as needed and slide the clamp over the top of the floor stand pole. Be sure not to tighten the clamp or block the opening on the pole for your charging cable. Run the iPad's charging cable through the top opening and bottom opening of the stand for cable management. Rotate the iPad from portrait to landscape by twisting the faceplate in the desired direction. For more information, please visit choose2rent.com.